Ay naku guys, after naming mag-tour sa BMW, eto na nga at nagutom kami. Naku, sobrang hirap maghanap ng upuan dahil sa super duper 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 daming tao guys. Let's go! Said like, we're looking for our friends. Like, she's asking for the waiter, and then they said, oh, isn't anyone? Thinking that he knows. Oh my God! Ay, naku, yun lang. Naku guys, subukan natin yung isang pitchil na beer na to. Naku, ay naku. Ayan guys. And now, dahil medyo maaga pa, after namin mag-lunch, eto ulit kami, Goro na ulit guys. Eto napakagandang historical na itong mga place na to. Super duper duper ganda. Nako, ay nako. Ja.
Käse, ein bisschen Wurst noch dabei. Ich habe die Chai noch.
Oh my God. Samantha, moy moy. Guys pa, ang ganda. Parang wala na akong masabi. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, nung nakita ko to, super tulala talaga ako. Sobrang ganda ng place. Oo. Ayan na nga at nakita na namin kung saan kami pwedeng pumasok. Actually, naghahanap kami ng entrance. Hindi namin makita kung paano kami makakapasok dun sa loob ng church. Ayan guys, sobrang laki ng church. Market of Munich. Wow.
Also wirst du gebannt.
It's a chocolate.
No, why does it look she's like something? She like something. Why does it say something?
Hindi ko masagot-sagot yung anong tinatanong niya sa akin. Ay, nako. Ayun na nga, pumasok kami dito sa isang malaking supermarket, grocery store. Hindi siya grocery, supermarket. Ayan guys, ang gaganda-ganda ng display. Sobrang ganda. Nako. Ayan. Ang nabili namin dito, etong, ayan, yung board na yan. Ayan, nabili namin yan kasi lagayan ng mga cheese, ganoon. Tapos mga ham. Ayan, pag kakain, may ganyan. Sure. Ayan, ang kailangan basta kung pwede lang damihan ng bibig. Grabe.
Pack your dreams, let's hit the road. Golden mornings, open road. No more worries, no more fear. Just you and me, the sky's so clear. Got no map, but that's alright. We'll chase the sun into the night. Every heartbeat, every street, a brand new world under our feet. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze. Come on, travel with me, travel with me. Where dreams run deep, over the rivers, across the fields, laughing with stars in a sky so sweet. Come on, travel with me. Sipping coffee in small cafes, writing postcards along the way.
Just look here.
Singing songs under neon skies, painting the world with you and I. Got no map, but that's alright. We'll find the magic every night. Every laugh, every leap, a memory we'll always keep. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze. Come on, travel with me, travel with me. Where dreams run deep, over the rivers, across the fields, laughing with stars in a sky so sweet. Come on, travel with me. Underneath a thousand skies, we'll leave the past and say goodbye. Every sunset in your eyes feels like home, feels so right. Travel with me, oh travel with me, over the seas, wild and free. Come on, travel with me, across the sea, over the mountains, wild
Hi, everyone. Sad. Hi guys, dito na magtatapos ang aming pagta-travel at uuwi na kami bukas. Guys, uuwi na kami bukas at maiiwan na namin ang Germany, Munich, Australia. Ayan guys. Napupunta na kami ulit sa mainit na lugar at lilisanin na namin ang
Auntie? Weren't you free for
snow. Ayan guys, so you know, na-enjoy ko talaga ng sobra yung travel namin to. Medyo less ng konti ang aking paghihirap. Ay nako, oo, pero sobrang ganda ng place. Ayan, kung pwede lang nga sana hindi na kami muna uuwi at dito muna kami mag-stay Pero hindi natural, hindi pwede. Ayan na nga, guys. So, iiwan na namin yung Sofitel Hotel. Ayan, so... ganun na. Oo, guys. So, magta-travel na kami going to airport ng mga 30 minutes away from our place ngayon. So, ayan. Actually, hindi pa naman talaga kami ready. Hindi pa kami nakakapag-impake. Ayan, see you, Hong Kong! Ayan, dahil babalik na ang aming kagandahan. Charot lang. Ayan, guys. So, mag-i-impake ako mamaya. Ayan. Ay, iwan na namin ang Germany. Pero, in fairness, ang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda-ganda niya talaga. Nagagandahan din ako dun sa Switzerland kasi more on nature talaga siya. Yes! Pero yung ito, talagang sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang city, sobrang ano. So, yes. Ayan. Kaya, kailangan na naming lisanin ang lugar na ito. Ayan na nga, guys. Tapos ngayon, nagpaplano kami for next year ulit. Na, actually, ginaganap naman talaga yan ng wait, I'm vlogging. Just enjoy the time. Oh yeah. Lagi namin naman pinaplano namin na yung next year ulit kung saan ulit pwede yung Chinese New Year. So, natural, tuwing holidays lang naman namin kayang gawin yan kasi nga walang pasok. Ayan. So, nagboto-botohan kami, nag-vote kung kung saan kami, kung Asia ba kami or mag-Europe ulit. So, yung aanuhan namin is Japan or Japan next time. So, ang choices is Japan in Europe ulit. So, 5 kaming bumoto sa Europe at kasi nga 11 lahat. So, parang next time meron another family na magsasama. So, 5 undecided yung tatlo. So, meron pa kaming tatlo na ayun, tatlo bumoto na sa bumoto na sila para dun sa Japan. Kasi yung next plan is Italy. So, paghahandaan natin yung Italy. Hi guys! Dito na magtatapos yung aming ingranding bakasyon.
Hi guys, I'm in the bathtub.
And then,
Guys, guess where I am?
back to normal na.
Guess where I am?
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Mula sa start hanggang sa matapos ito. I hope na nag-enjoy po kayo sa aking mga travels video. Thank you, everyone. See you again in my next vlog. Bye-bye.